Welcome back. This is the last stage of which I will pour. This will be pouring number actually 5. And when I went in to do my masking this last time, I did find it a little bit of a challenge if you haven't darkened your lines. So really all I'm most interested in is trying to break up some of this big area, these big areas. So if you can't see your lines, I would say don't worry about it, just kind of draw some things in. If that doesn't work for you, you could splatter. And for this layer, I want it really dark. This is my darkest dark. And so I'm gonna start with some Payne's gray. I'm not gonna water the paper. If I need any water, I will spritz it, but I'm gonna just start here and go really heavy. If I need anything. I'm using also some sepia just to mix it up a little bit. I don't usually use my pipette because it's really going to be difficult to move the paint around at this point. Just to kind of mix that up again, I've put some purples just so the colors, a little bit of interest. But again, this is about going really dark. And remember that the paint does dry a little bit lighter. And we're trying to achieve all the different values. So for the value 4 to show up, you have to make it the darks really dark. I will then let this dry overnight. And tomorrow I will pull the masking off. The other tip I would tell you before you add your darks is to make sure that you have not left any area that you want covered, exposed. And to do that, I had to lift my board in different directions to see some areas that I was concerned about. At this point, I would not be using colors like burnt sienna. They're just not dark enough. So if I want brown tones, I would be using the sepia. If you don't have a range of dark colors, indigo, Payne's gray, all of those work really well. Switch to some Payne's gray or some indigo. And because I've done the painting more than once, I know where my masking is, so I don't even need to put paint down there. And that's really it. Let it dry. I don't think I'm going to really have much runoff, so I don't even need the paper towel. So while this looks like a complete mess, I think you will be pleasantly surprised tomorrow when we unveil it and you get to see all of the original colors. So don't be afraid to go dark, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Bye.